Hello Queens, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Saudi from High Low Fashion House. If this is your first time coming into this channel, you are so welcome. Here we discuss all things fabulous. We discuss fashion, beauty and lifestyle. And for my returnee, thank you so much for coming back to support this channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so below and click on that notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Today's video is a luxury handbag unboxing. Recently, I purchased a handbag that has always been on my wish list. If you watch my video on my luxury wish list for the year 2023, you might be able to guess which handbag I am going to do the unboxing today. Because if you watch that video, you know I have certain handbags for this year that I wish to acquire in my wardrobe. In this video, I am going to do a brief unboxing. I already unboxed this item. I just want to share with you guys and give you updates on my luxury wish list that I recently uploaded. I always wish to have this bag. This year, it's a dream and a wish come true. I just want to make a quick disclaimer here. This video is not a bragging video. I just want to share my passion of fashion with you guys. That's all. Do you guys want to know what I bought from the real? So this is just a quick unboxing and review of this bag and how it looks. This is the box that it comes with from the rear. So let me show you guys what's in there. Ooh, this is the dust bag. Can you guys guess what bag is this? Are you guys ready? Drum roll. By the dust bag, you guys might already guessed what bag is this. I lied to you guys. When I did my luxury wish list video, I said I wish for a Goyard Saigon bag in size PM. To be specific, I want orange color. This is why I said I lied. Because what I got is not orange. Do you guys want to see the color that I bought? Drum roll. Oh, look at my new baby. This bag comes with the yellow dust bag. Definitely it did not come with the original box. This bag is a pre-loved. I did not buy this bag from Goyard. Even on my luxury wish list, I said I wish to have this bag. I am not looking to get this bag from the retail store. I wish to buy this bag on the resale market, and I did. And when you buy something from the resale market, 90% of the time you don't get the whole full set. You might not even get a dust bag. You might not even get a box. I am lucky I was able to get a dust bag, the strap. I want the orange, but I did not get the orange color. So I lied to you guys. Take it back. I lied. There is a reason why I did not get the orange color. The price of this bag compared to the orange color bag that I saw from Rebag, it's almost twice the price of what the orange color was priced on the resale market and what this color was priced. When I saw this bag from the rear priced it for $4,200. I saw the rear marking this bag. When they marked this bag to a 50%, the bag that I was hoping to get, the orange one from Rebag, was never marked down. This is the baby that I was able to get from the rear. Let me bring it for you guys. I still have the tag from the rear. I still have this tag right here. I was able to score this baby. This is the baby. Let me bring this bag close to you guys. Let me focus this bag. Let me focus this bag. This is the bag I was able to get. I hope the camera is picking it up. Let me focus this. This is the bag. I'll give you guys a 360. 360. This is the bag I was able to get. Let me tell you guys a brief review about the history of this bag. This handbag is a French brand. It's established in 1792 by Maison Goyard in France, Paris. This brand is specialized on making trunks, making leather goods, and pet wear. It's privately owned, not a corporate to produce mass trends. It's one of the luxury brands that still owned and operated by family. So for that reason, this brand every year produces certain amount of leather goods or handbags. Their handbags are considered to be heirlooms. This brand only have 5 stores in the US. If you want to place an order for this bag by Goyard, you usually email them. They will reply you back by email. You will tell them what you want. If you want to buy it through Goyard, you tell them what you want, how you want it, how you want to specialize your order. It's known for custom and specialized order. If you live in any cities that does not have Goyard store. Now, let's review these bags together. The Goyard Saigon bag always come with the canvas or the special order. What struck me to this bag? The wood handle. This wood handle is what sells this bag to me. This wood handle, the shape, the wood panel here, and of course this palladium hardware. The structure of this bag, it's breathtaking. I love the structure. I love the stitching and the craftsmanship of this bag. It's impeccable. This is how you open this bag from here. You open it this way and you open the flap this way. You open the flap this way. This is the bag. Let me tell you guys, my bag, it's fully lined inside and out with leather. With the canvas one, it's usually lined with the yellow Goyard material. It comes with the strap. I have my strap here. If you're going to lock this bag, this is how you open it. You lock it back again by this way and put it this way. I still have the tag from the rear. This is the strap that it comes with. I think this is how you put the strap, if I can remember. Yes, you put the strap this way and you buckle it this way. This is a long strap too. This bag comes in a very good condition, very minimum scratches. The only way I can see scratches is just here, I guess from just opening in and out, but it's very few. This is something that I can take to be buff out. Very good condition. No scratches, no smell or odor. I love this bag. You can wear it as a crossbody. So if you're taller, you are shorter, you are average, this bag is definitely a good bag for a crossbody if you want to wear it crossbody. I'm not going to wear this bag as a crossbody. Definitely going to wear this bag as a top handle because I love top handle bags. It's always good to have an option just in case you want to be hands-free. The craftsmanship of this bag is impeccable. The stitching, the leather, everything. I love the wood handle. This bag is very unique. It's different. This is a heirloom. This is a collector piece. This is a handbag that will never go out of style. This bag, it's classic, timeless. It will be here for oncoming generations. So I'm happy to have this bag to pass it on. If you make it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share and like this video. Please remember to stay blessed and above all, stay fabulous because you all are fabulous. See you guys on my next video. Ciao.